में आते हैं, जब हम कॉलेज में जाते हैं, हमने नॉर्मल लाइफ में भी डिफरेंट कास्ट के लोग से मिलते हैं। इंडिया में ऐसा फॉलो किया जाता है। चाइल्ड लाइक एंड चाइल्डिश। चाइल्डिश इज childlike is like a child used in a positive sense. Childish is like a child used in a negative sense. You are child like person, यानी कि आप बच्चों के जैसे अच्छे इंसान हैं, आप बच्चों के जैसे सच बोलते हैं, चाइल्ड लाइक ट्रूथ और चाइल्ड लाइक इनोसेंस. बट चाइल्डिश मीन्स दैट हिज चाइल्डिश हैबिट ऑफन इरिटेट हिज फादर, यानी कि बच्चों की तरह हरकतें करते हैं, बच्चों की तरह बातें करते हैं, बच्चों के जैसी बातें करते हैं, यानी कि ऑफन यू टॉक लाइक अ चाइल्ड, ऑफन योर हैबिट्स आर लाइक अ चाइल्ड दैट इरिटेट योर फादर. देन देर इज कोर्स एंड कोर्स. कोर्स इज रफ एंड कोर्स कैन बी रिसीव द होल कोर्स बिफोर एग्जामिनेशन. कोर्स जो आप एक सेशन में पूरा कोर्स पढ़ते हैं. देन देर इज कॉम्प्लीमेंट एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट. Compliment is an expression of regard. Compliment that which is given by compliment that completes somebody. That person compliments you. This dress complements your skin tone. That means this completes you. So there are more words like here: continual and continuous. Then there is counsel and counsel, custom, habit, deny, refuse, desert, desert, doubt, suspect, farmer, former, famous, notorious, graceful, gracious, hail, hail. There are meanings written in front of you, in front of all these words. Please learn these words and their meanings. If you will try and solve the exercises given with these words, they will help you to understand that what is the difference between these words, and try to incorporate these words in your daily language so that you know the meaning, and the meaning of these words will get incorporated in your language as well. Now we are talking about synonyms and antonyms. So synonyms are the words which have similar meanings, and antonyms are the words which have completely opposite meanings, or which are the opposite of the same word. Like assistance, synonyms for assistance are aid, support and help. Now if you are using assistance, then you can also use aid, support and help according to the formation and the requirement of the sentences. But assistance and aid means the same thing. Then astonish, surprise and amaze are the same words. They mean the same, but it depends that according to the requirement of the sentences you use the same words. Awkward, clumsy, bad, evil or wicked, begin, start or commence, behavior, conduct, big, huge, large, enormous, certain, sure. Now if I want to say that are you sure about it, then I can also say are you certain about it. Then it means the same thing. Charming, attractive, I can also call that girl is very charming. I can also say she is a very attractive girl. So that means the same thing. Comprehend, understand and grasp. Now we are going to talk about antonyms, which I have given in another PDF. Now let's talk about antonyms here. Antonyms are the words which have opposite meanings. You can also see the definition from the book. It is given there. Now we are going to read the antonyms from 1 to 20. The words are accept, reject. Now if you accept something, then you take that, you understand it, or you accept that, congratulations. But if you want to not accept it, then what will you say? Reject. Active, passive. You understand that active is when somebody is very active, somebody is doing something very quickly. But if somebody is not very quick, then you can also call him passive. Appoint and dismiss. I appoint you as the monitor of the class. Then I will, if I am not going to, if I want to not be the, if I don't want you to be the monitor anymore of the class, what will I say? I am going to dismiss you as the monitor of the class. Appoint and dismiss. I hope you understood that meaning. Arrive and depart. When you arrive, now if you go on the airport, you have two terminals. One is arrival and one is departure. So arrival is where people who are arriving on the airport, they come to the airport. Some people are leaving the airport, they have come from some place, so they are on the departure side of the airport. Then there is attack and defend. You attack somebody, and somebody whom you are attacking, he will defend himself from you. Begin, end. When you start something and then you end something. Believe and doubt. You believe in somebody, or you believe in some thought, but then if you doubt that person or you doubt that thought, that is the complete opposite of belief. Then bless and curse. Bravery and cowardice. Bright, dull. Cheerful, gloomy. Coarse, smooth. Coarse, you just now read in the synonyms, that means rough. Confess, deny. Danger, safety. Dead, alive. Deep, shallow. Entrance, exit. Former, latter. Friend, foe or enemy. Both the words foe and enemy mean the same thing. Friendship and enmity. If you have friendship with somebody, that is a relationship that you are naming, friendship. Then enmity becomes the opposite of friendship. So I hope, students, that you have understood that these are the words given here from 1 to 20, for which you have to learn the antonyms. That means completely opposite words of to these words. So please also try to solve the exercises given in the books. If you have any problem, you can always ask me in the live class or on the group. I hope, students, that you have understood both the PDFs. Please listen to the video explanation again and again, and if you have any problem, discuss it with me. Please take care of your family and yourself. Thank you so much, students.